Hi, welcome to our composition class. I'm your professor, Pat Hanahoe-Dosch. Please make sure that you read the message I left you in the news section on the course home page. There's a lot of important information in there. Also, please make sure you can find and use all of the sections of this course and in Brightspace, which is also sometimes called D2L because that's the old name. I have set the course up in weekly learning modules. You must go through each learning module each week and read and watch the materials, then do the assignments that are given there. If you don't read and watch the materials, you won't be successful. I want you to be successful. That's part of my purpose and goal here. But it is really important that you do the work and read everything and watch the videos also, and then do the assignments. Also, please feel free to contact me through Zoom, chat, email, phone, or stop by my Lancaster campus office in Main 320 during my office hours. If you email me to say you want to talk by phone, I can call you back. Just make sure that you include your phone number as well as your name and course number in the email. Make sure that you ask for help when you need it. It's important. That's one of my purposes here. My job is to help you, but I can't help you if I don't know that you need the help. So you have to ask for it. And there are a variety of ways of doing that. Again, you can do it through Zoom, which is a very easy to use media that is available to all students through your Hawkmail account. You can also do it through the chat here in Brightspace. You can contact me through email, by phone. Again, it's probably best if you email me and ask me to call you back because I'm only in my office and answer my office phone during office hours. Okay. Now we also have a wonderful hack librarian working with us. Her name is Ms. Lisa Weigard, and she can also answer questions about research and citations. Now, it's also important that you please make sure that you follow directions when doing assignments. If you read the general grading standards that I left in the folder labeled Important under the Contents section, not following directions can earn you an F, both either for the assignment or ultimately even for the course if you violate the instructions often enough. This is going to be true in many of your college classes, so please get used to this. Make sure that you pay careful attention to all directions and follow those directions very carefully. Ask questions if you don't understand something. That's what I'm here for, to answer your questions. You can check out more information about me by clicking on the About Your Professor link in the Start Here module. I'm looking forward to working with all of you this semester. Take care, work hard, and hopefully you will learn a lot about critical reading, critical writing, and critical thinking, which are the 3 core components of this course. See you later.